In this video, I will show you how to check RAM in laptop. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Maybe you're wanting to download a piece of software or an app or a game, but you want to check your RAM first of all to make sure that you will be able to run that game or software or whatever it is you want to download successfully. Now to do this, what you're going to want to do from your desktop is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, right click onto an empty space of your taskbar and then click onto Task Manager. Now once your Task Manager loads through, all you need to do is come over to the left hand side and in this menu you want to click onto Performance. In here you're going to see some different options. What you want to do is go ahead, click onto Memory, and if you look in the top right hand corner, this is going to tell you your RAM. So you can see in my case I've currently got 16 gigabytes of RAM on my laptop. Of course yours may be different, but this is how to check RAM in laptop. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.